cactus. This is cactus with chili, tomatoes, onions. So healthy. This is chipotle pepper. Eating cactus is good for your health. It helps with diabetes to balance the sugar levels in the blood. So highly recommended. You just cook it like this. You just put the vegetables, no water, nothing needs to be added because the vegetables are gonna release their own juices. So you just put I'm gonna put pink Himalayan salt, turmeric, spices that are good for your health. You can put some turmeric, a little bit of pepper, ginger, garlic. You see how it's changing the color?